Hello learners, hope you are enjoying this course. Are you ready to begin with the second module? Good. So today we are going to begin with our second module. The name of this module is Digital Marketing versus Traditional Marketing. After the completion of this module, you will be able to differentiate digital marketing from traditional marketing. I hope you remember the definition of digital marketing. Let me explain it for you. Digital marketing is the process of marketing by which we market our product and services by using internet and digital devices like mobile phones, laptops or any other electronic device. As we are going to compare the digital marketing with traditional marketing, therefore it is important to understand the concept of traditional marketing as well. Traditional marketing is the form of marketing and advertising which is being used by the companies for the years. It is the old and ever evolving form of marketing. The various forms of traditional marketing are print, broadcast, telemarketing, and direct mail. Presently, both traditional and digital marketing activities are in practice. However, the choice to adopt either of these two depends on so many factors. These factors may be the type of product, the resources, your skills, and the type of your audience. However, over a period of time, it has been observed that the advertising expenditure budget on digital marketing activities has been constantly increasing. Now, let us start with the comparison. Following are the points on the basis of which we will try to compare the digital marketing with traditional marketing. And these points are wide reach, niche marketing, cost effective, measurement and tracking, generates potential leads, performance oriented, real-time results, audience control, interactivity, fair play or equity. These points also depict the significance of digital marketing. I have divided this video into three parts. In the first part, we shall cover point number 1 to 3. The point number 4 to 7 will be discussed in the second part. The remaining points will be discussed in the last part of video. Let us begin with our first point, that is wide reach. As discussed earlier, traditionally there are various forms of advertising such as print, broadcast, direct mail and telemarketing through which businesses can reach to their target audience. However, the reach of all these channels is limited either to the local area or to a particular region or to a particular country. On the other side, internet is ubiquitous, which means it is present everywhere, and around 50% of the world population is using internet. It implies that a digital marketer can reach to half of the population with few clicks. As internet is the backbone of digital marketing and majority of digital marketing activities are conducted using internet, therefore digital marketing has the potential to target the audience living in any corner of the world. In this way, we can conclude that digital marketing has wide reach and has the potential to target the audience without any boundaries. We can say that ignoring digital marketing is like opening a business but not telling anyone. The next point is niche marketing. Let's assume you are a national brand and your product is targeting the female audience. For this purpose, you plan an advertising campaign on television and print. Now tell me, is it possible for you to control that your ad should be visible only to the female audience? The probable answer is no, because the traditional media doesn't offer such type of control that you can show your ad to a particular segment of the customers. On the other side, in case of digital marketing, it's possible. If you want to target a very niche segment, then you can successfully target it on the basis of parameters like demographic, location, interest, and behavior. Now, let me give you another example. Let us say you have an online store. On daily basis, many customers visit your website. They spend some time on it, they browse your product, they read the reviews, and eventually leave your website. After this, they go to another website. Now on another website, I want to target those customers who were earlier on my website and they were browsing the product. I want to show them the ads of the same product. Is it possible in traditional marketing? Think about it. No, it's not possible. However, in case of digital marketing, it is possible that you can retarget your customer who were earlier on your website and now has gone to another website. You can show the ads of the same product which earlier they were browsing. Actually, there are many tools available such as Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Facebook Manager, LinkedIn, Twitter, and many more. By using them, you can retarget the customer precisely. We will learn about these tools in the days to come. Another point of difference is cost effectiveness. It is often said that digital marketing is cost effective as compared to the traditional marketing. Is it so? Let me give you an example. Suppose you have given an advertisement in the newspaper targeting 1 lakh customers. However, according to your estimates, only 30,000 customers actually viewed your advertisement. Now, can you ask newspaper that you should be charged for 30,000, not for 1 lakh customers? No. In digital marketing, it's entirely different. You are usually charged on the basis of clicks, which is known as pay per click or the PPC. In simple words, if no one clicks on your ad, you will not be charged for that. If more people will click on your ad, you will be charged accordingly. It means that if customer is really interested in your product or ad, only then he will click on your ad. Otherwise, he will not click on your advertisement. In this way, we can conclude that digital marketing is cost effective as compared to the traditional marketing. In the next video, we will proceed further.